Hello, Andy Klaus with Vortex Weather Insurance. In today's whiteboard topic, we are going to discuss how to set a rainfall threshold within your rain insurance policy. Again, with rain insurance being very customizable, you can set any threshold you want based on your needs and budget. So what is a threshold? It is the amount of rain recorded by an independent source that would have to be recorded in order for your policy to trigger a payment. There are several different thresholds that you can use that are commonly used: lighter rain amounts, moderate rain amounts, quarter-inch and higher, and then there's the heavier rain amounts, half-inch and more. Several factors to think about when setting a rain insurance threshold. What type of event are you holding? Is it a rock concert to where rain is not as significant to your attendees? Or is it maybe an art festival or a wine festival where rain could shy away more people? What type of grounds are you on? Are you on grass? Are you on asphalt? Are you on gravel? These are other factors to think about when setting a threshold. How much rain can your event tolerate? Is your event on top of a hill? Is there good drainage? Are you in a valley? Again, things to think about. What is your risk period? Something that we talked about in a previous whiteboard session. If the risk period is only 4 hours, then a lower threshold might do. But if it's a longer risk period, you might need to use a higher threshold to manage those costs. This gets into your budget. How much premium are you willing to spend? Lower thresholds are going to be a higher premium because it's more likely to rain a little bit than it is to rain a lot, to where the premium is lower for a higher threshold. Ultimately, you know your event the best. We're here to help. You can contact us at vortexinsurance.com or call, text 913-253-1215.